computer and history of a computer. Dear students, in early days, people used stones, sticks, or bones for counting. But it was obviously not possible to do big calculation by using them. So, move to introduction. Computer is an electronic machine that accepts information, store it, process it according to the instruction provided by the user, and then return the result. In previous classes and in previous lectures, we discussed about IPO cycle. You know very well, we provide data to the computer in raw fact and figure. Computer process it, and after the processing, computer give us final result. Today we take computer for granted and they have become part of our everyday activities. We know very well that computer is our basic need. Every day we do many work with the help of computer. While computers as we know them today are relatively recent, the concept and ideas behind computer have quite a bit of history. फ्रेंड्स वो नो कि हमने एकदम से कंप्यूटर नहीं बना लिया था, इसके पीछे कुछ हिस्ट्री है जो कि हमें इस चैप्टर में इस टॉपिक में डिस्कस करनी है. When we discuss the history, we will know how we got the age of email, YouTube and Facebook. The first early computing machine was abacus. I am showing you the picture of abacus. Moving to next slide. These are some important points about abacus. These are some important points about abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device. Abacus is known to be the first mechanical device invented about 5,000 years ago. It was invented by Chinese about 5,000 years ago, and it was used to perform addition and subtraction easily and speedily. Abacus is made up of wooden frame in which rods were fitted across with round beads. Sliding on the rod, it is dividing into two parts. Divided in two parts called heaven and earth. Heaven was the upper part and earth was the lower one. And here most popular types of the abacuses was Chinese, Japanese and Russian. The next one is Napier bonds. I am showing the picture of Napier's bond, and here is some important points about Napier's bond. Napier bonds was a calculating device made by a John Napier. As necessity demanded, scientists started inventing better calculating devices. In this process, the John Napier of Scotland invented a calculating device in the year 1617. Call them Napier bonds. It was mainly used to do multiplication and division tasks. And next one is this device consists of a board with a rim. Students, in this device, Napiers use the bones rods for the purpose of counting, where some number is printed on these rods, you can see, and using these rods one can addition, subtraction, multiplication and division easily. So we are going to move next invention. Pascal's calculator. I'm showing the picture of Pascal's calculator, and here is some important points about Pascal adding machine. They are telling us about this Pascal adding machine was invented in 1642. They are telling us about Pascal adding machine invented in 1642. It was used to do addition and subtraction. We cannot do multiplication and division function on it. And this machine was made up of rectangular box with 8 movable wheels. And here most popular types of the abacuses was Chinese, Japanese and Russian. The next one is calculator. Is same. So invented in 1642. Pascal adding machine was invented in 1642, and in the year 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French scientist, invented an adding machine called Pascal calculator. It was used to do addition and subtraction. We cannot do multiplication and division function on it. Pascal's calculator represent the position of digits with the help of gears on it, and this machine was made up of rectangular box with 8 movable wheels. And we are going to move next invention, Leibniz calculator. You can see on your window, this is calculator, and here is some points about Leibniz calculator. And German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz modified the Pascal calculator, and it was improved upon Pascal adding machine. It can perform various calculations. Gottfried Wilhelm von developed a machine which could perform various calculations based on multiplication and division as well. And next one is analytical engine. You can see the picture of analytical engine, and here is some important points about this. Charles Babbage invented this machine in 1834. Students, basically in the year 1834, a scientist from England known as Charles Babbage proposed the idea of mechanical general purpose computer, and this device was called analytical engine, and it is widely accepted as a first design of mechanical computer. And analytical engine was based upon the computer of concept of IPO. Previously we discussed this machine was capable of performing all the basic arithmetic operation. And students, it include many features which are used in today's computer language, and this was more useful and versatile than the difference engine made by Babbage. So students, that's the end of my lecture. In next lecture, inshallah, we will discuss about generation of computer. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much. And